Okay. Now, this is for the website Georges Transport. All the corrections that need to be made. First, one, two, three. Major error. Déménagement is not spelled like this. So everywhere is the word déménagement. Please correct the spelling. Déménagement is spelled like this. Déménagement is spelled like this. D-E. You see? This is how you spell déménagement. So where everywhere there's déménagement, there's an error. You have to correct that. Now change the images based on the ones that I sent you. Okay? The image file that I sent you, you got to use those images. Now, remember, this is where you put the beginning of the text. Alright? And then for the déménagement page, you put the beginning of the text and you put read more. When you click on it, it takes you to the déménagement page. Hi. Corrections for the website. Accueil à propos déménagement. Wrong. Wrong. And all of the other places where déménagement is not spelled correctly, please correct that. Déménagement is spelled like this. Now, replace those images because they're not the right images. Alright? Replace the images. Okay. So correct déménagement everywhere. Double check the spelling of déménagement everywhere. Now, also change all the images that you have here. So those are not the right images for that I want. Is the images that I want are the images based on the files that I sent you. In the file that I sent you, there is a déménagement image. So if you look back into the file, I say to replace that image with the images that I sent you. This one is a déménagement. So you put the déménagement image that is in the file. You put the one of taxi images that I sent you in the file, you put it here. A transportation image that I sent you, you put that here. Now, you also put the beginning of the text here. And when they want to read the rest, you put plus d'infos here. Plus d'infos, the beginning of the text, plus d'infos. Beginning of the text, plus d'infos. When they click on plus d'infos, it leads them to the appropriate page. À propos, you have to put the correct mission text. And also, you also have to remember what I sent you. No English in the forms. Please. The form is in French. So, you have to understand that no is no. Email is email. Téléphone is okay. Envoyer. Please pay close attention to the file that I sent you. And you forgot to put this in the contactez-nous. This is missing. Put it also everywhere there is contactez-nous. You have to put it everywhere there is contactez-nous. This is missing. It's missing here. And it's missing here. And when we'll go to the contact page, you'll see it's missing also. The mission text is missing. You have to put it. Déménagement, misspelled. You have to correct the spelling based on this. Déménagement. And remember, in French, all the images, they need to be in the bottom. They need to be in the bottom with the appropriate name of each images. And under it, you could put the word outil on top. So there will be outil, the name of each images. And then in the text, you got to put a déménagement image in the text. Also the same thing here, mission text is missing. You have to remember it has to be in French. You have to put another transportation image, not this image. No good. You have to put another taxi image. Don't forget, contactez-nous. You forgot to put the bar in the middle. Bar in the middle here is missing. You have to make sure the form is in French, not in English. No good. So now here you put, here you have to put content. That doesn't make sense. So what I want you to put here is this information here. Georges Transport, the email address, and the phone number. Here, it's wrong, 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 wrong. Okay. Now you have to remember it's non address. You have to correct the spelling of address in French. It's not the same as in English. Email. Phone is no phone. It's telephone. So it's spelled like this. Now, sujet. Message. Sujet here, message here. Now here, submit is no good. Submit is envoyer. Reset in French is recommencer. In French, it's recommencer. Reset in French is recommencer. Please Follow carefully those instructions.